Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change font style in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display. After that scroll down again, then go to font size and style. Then tap on font style. Now from here you can change your font style. From here you can set any font style as you like. If you want to select Samsung one, just select it and it's done. Now if you tap on font style again, if you want to download more font style, just tap on download fonts option and give it a moment. Now from here you can download any font style as you like. If you want to download this font style, just tap on this download icon and you can see that will start downloading. Now just give it a moment and the download is complete. Now just go back and here it is. Now just tap here to select it and it's changed successfully. You can also bold your font from here, and from here you can change your font size. And that is how you can change font style in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.